Welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal de tu bartender favorita. Yes. Thank you for joining today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Okay? So today we're going to make another delicious drink and it's going to be called the Blue Mermaid because of its color. Okay? So we're going to start adding ice to our tin. Okay. And this is going to be with white rum. And today I'm using Bacardi and white vodka, but I'm using a blueberry vodka because it already has blue and the drink is blue, so why not? Okay, so I'm gonna start with 2 ounces of the rum. Okay, then I'm gonna go with 1 ounce of the vodka. But again, if you want to make it super strong, go ahead, be my guest. Add it 2 ounces. And then we're going to add what's going to make it extra blue, which is blue curacao. Okay, and I'm doing 3/4 of this. Okay, and then we're going to add some coconut cream. I'm going to squeeze some coconut cream in here. Yum. I love coconut cream, so yummy. And then, last but not least, we're gonna add some pineapple juice. Okay, we can add about 1.5 ounce of pineapple juice to this. Ready? Boom. Now we're just gonna shake this. Perfect. So we're gonna add ice to our glass. This is the glass I'm choosing today. This is a fun drink to have around your friends and think you're extra cool for making it a blue color. Alright, so we're gonna add it and then we're gonna pour this in here. Okay. Get your strainer and start pouring it up. Ooh, look at that blue color, that's so pretty. Here's our Blue Mermaid, she's so pretty. Eso está muy lindo, señores. Mira qué lindo, un azulito. El trago se llama Blue Mermaid. And we're going to garnish it with the pineapple and pineapple leaf. Look how pretty that looks. Blue Mermaid, everybody. Yum. Cheers. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget that I have Thirsty Thursdays through my Instagram live. And you already know. Thank you for joining today. My YouTube channel with tu bartender favorita. Take care. Cheers.